Welcome to step 24. You have done most of the work already, and in this step we will try to make ourselves feel better. After we have gone through steps 1 to 23, we will have a lot of stuff coming up, and some of these stuff may be unpleasant. And so in this step 24, we want to feel better by doing certain things. So like I said, we have done some very deep soul searching work. Now some of you may feel liberated like I did in many of the steps. Some of you may feel exhausted, which I sometimes did as well. Now whatever it is you feel, now it's time to apply soothing balm to the old wound and help it to heal. Again, we will do this for ourselves and not wait for others to do it for us. We will try to meet our own needs. We will learn to provide comfort to ourselves. So, how can you soothe yourself? Now, these are called self-soothing techniques. How can you parent yourself if your parents never did this for you? How can you do it for yourself? Now, if your child were in distress, what could you do for him or her to make him or her feel better? It's often instinctive when we do it for someone else, but not so for when we do it for ourselves. And why is that so? Okay, so what would you do or what would you say to your child? What sort of comfort could you provide? Whatever you would do for your child, perhaps you could do it for yourself. Maybe some kind words, maybe a nice cup of hot chocolate, or it may be something different, something more adult, more mature. Now, if you need a hug, look for someone who could give you one. I'm sure if your child were in distress, you would, one of the first things you would do is to hug your child. So if you need a hug, look for someone who could give you one, or even hugging a big soft toy or your pillow might make you feel better already. So if you need to cry, I did a lot of times. Lock the door and just cry your heart out. There's no need to feel embarrassed because there's no one there. If you need to take some sort of action, whatever it is, just go ahead and do it, as long as you don't harm yourself or hurt others. Maybe you need to write a letter to someone. You don't have to mail this letter. You can just write it and keep it or burn it. If you need to take some sort of forgiveness exercise, I would highly encourage you to do so. And maybe the person you need to forgive is not someone else, it may be yourself. And maybe you just need some self-care, time in a hot tub or some ice cream. Okay, so whatever it is, now is a good time to do it. If you need to go to the gym, do it. If you need to spend some time in nature, do it. If you need to have a nap, do it. So start to feel better right away and take your time, because this is a really important step. We want you to feel better. And I will see you for the remaining steps next time. Good luck.